XHTML2 is a spec in progress, but that shouldn't stop us from coding the XHTML2 way right now. The central plank of XHTML2, one of the central planks, is that a web document is a tree of sections, and we'll see that in just a moment. Now, if in the near future you were to open an XHTML2 document in a DOM parser, like the one that comes in Firebug, you would see something like this, a header, section, and footer. Now, header and footer are in fact not part of the XHTML2 spec, they're actually part of the HTML5 spec. So we'll concentrate on section right now, which is common to both. If you were to open that section node, you would see something like this, a heading, a note, no number. And we'll talk a bit more about that in a moment, and then some content. And that, of course, would be a very simple page. If it was a little more complex, now we start to see the section tree. And in fact, your whole document should look like that, neatly compartmentalised into sections. Let's open one of those sections now. And here we have, again, a heading. And notice, look, another heading here without a number. The beauty of this system is that you can't screw up your heading hierarchy because it's built in. Because this is a nested section, an intelligent user agent will know that this is in fact going to be something like our current H2, and it'll present it as such. In a similar vein, if we have a further nested section, your user agent would know this is in fact something like an H3, and you can't get it wrong. Okay, so that's XHTML2. How are you going to code that way with XHTML1? Very simply, we use div and class equals section, and voila, you've coded XHTML2 in XHTML1. Okay, now I'll throw out a challenge to you. If you really want to separate behaviour and presentation from content, code HTML as if you're writing an XML document. No presentational divs in your markup. Introduce your design effects through CSS, and failing that, through JavaScript. And that will be the topic, perhaps, of another webjam presentation. Thank you.